Well, hello everyone. My name is Debbie and welcome to our Tale and Tale Summer Reading Craft Activity. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own 3D animal mask. I've already got one that I've completed, which is a tiger. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? So, and very simple, the material that we need to do this. We just need some texture colours, a grey lid, a rubber if you have one, sticky tape, and the kit that you can pick up from the library includes some elastic as well as, which is very important, an instruction sheet on what to do. Now, the first thing you need to do is look at your mask when you collect it from the library, and it's got two sides. It's got a matte side and a shiny side. I'd like you to use the matte side to do your colouring in, and I've already pre-drawn my outline of my monkey, as you can see, and also around here too. So you can do that just to aid you when you're creating your mask. All right, so I'm going to start with the dark colour, and if you look at my little picture here, the dark colours on the outside and then the light colours on the inside, but you might like to do it the other way around. You know what, it's your mask, you're in control. All right, so I'm going to start with just colouring in with the dark texture. Now, I'm not going to colour in really solidly because I think it looks quite good being sort of like almost scribbled on. So I'm just going round to the first part of the mask and continuing to do the other part up the top here, his head. Now, would a monkey be your favourite animal? I have to say the gibbon, and my surname is actually Gibbons, the gibbon is my favourite monkey in the ape family. Very agile animal, much more agile than what I am, that's for sure. And I love going to the Melbourne Zoo to watch them. And talking about that, Melbourne Zoo, did you know our first prize for our Tales and Tales Summer Reading competition is a year membership to the Zoo Victoria, which would mean free entrance into the zoo or Werribee Park or Hillsville for a whole year. Fancy that. You'll be able to see the gibbon monkey up close at the Melbourne Zoo. How much fun would that be? So maybe a monkey isn't your favourite animal. Maybe you prefer the tigers or the lions, or maybe those tall giraffes. So I've almost finished here. I'm just going to finish off the lower jaw of the monkey, and I'm just going to outline around the eyes. I'm just doing his brown eye there, and I'm just going to do a bit of an outline around his eyes just to make it stand out. You might like to do black eyes instead of brown eyes if you've got a black texture colour. You might like to do a purple and pink monkey. As I said before, it's up to you. Now, I'm also going to outline the mouth, just like so, just a very fine line, almost like putting lipstick on its lips. So I hope you're enjoying your holidays so far and have had a nice relaxing break and getting to read lots of your favourite stories. You might have got some lovely stories for Christmas, but if not, come and visit us in the library because we've got lots of wonderful stories that you can borrow. So I'm just colouring in the main part of the face, and I've got an extra texture colour in case I run out of colour, and this one I think is going to run out shortly, so I will do a swap over shortly. I do enjoy colouring in. I'm going to get the other one and we'll just keep going. This is going to be fun, being able to have a mask. This might be ready for, you might have an animal themed birthday party, for example. You can wear your mask to it. You have to tell all your friends you're inviting to the birthday party to come and collect up a kit at the library, so you've all got a nice mask to wear. But there's a nice selection that you can choose from. There's monkeys, there's a frog, you could be a koala, you could be an elephant, or you could be a hippopotamus, or a tiger, of course, All right, I've finished my colouring in. There it is, all done. So the next thing I need to do is find, and I'm going to find it a little bit easier on the back, there's little marks here, which is our fold mark. So just use your thumb, and you might need to get an adult to help you with this, or an older person. So I'm just going to fold that's the forehead. So I've done that. And there's also another fold just here where the nose is. So I'm just going to fold that like so. And there's also a fold for the other part of the nose. So we're trying to make a 3D mask. And actually, it might be easy if you actually leave it on the table to do it. There we are, there's one fold, and there's the other fold. So I've just pressed that down with my thumb. Just going to press that down a little bit more too. And there's all the folds done. You might need to fold them more than once. Anyway, I'm going to do some sticking. So I've got my sticky tape. I'm just going to put a little, see how there's a gap there? I'm going to join that up. So I'm going to put a bit of tape on the back there. I'm going to do the same on this side. And then I'm going to put a bit of tape across here. Just join it all up so it's nice and straight, and then I'm going to join this up like so, which I think needs to go like, let's see, just have a good look at it, that's it. Just going to join that up there. I think that's almost done. Oh, I know one more thing we need to do. There we are, so there's our mask there. We just need to just punch the little nostrils out. There we go. And there's our 3D mask. We'll just quickly tie that on. So just tie that through one end and just do a double knot. So that's one knot and that's a double knot, so that shouldn't come undone. And we're going to do the same on the other side. And then I'm going to show you what my 3D mask looks like. Debbie is becoming a monkey. Debbie the monkey. I better get a banana. That'll make me, there we are. I'm going to pop that over my head. And there I am. Well, I hope you have a lot of fun making your own 3D mask. And I look forward to seeing you in the library. You can take a photo of it and post it on our Facebook page if you like, because we'd love to see it. Cheerio. You have a wonderful holiday, and we look forward to seeing you in the library. Bye for now.